Yo guys, welcome to my channel. And I felt like singing for some reason, but that's gonna make a cool intro, so whatever matters, whatever works. So anyways, let's get back to the video. This is the 7th video of the C programming, and in this video I'm going to talk about loops, and I'm going to teach you about while loops. So loops are something in programming or in developers world in which you have to repeat some set of code again and again for whatever reason you may feel like. And for that we have loops, various types of loops. There are while loops, do while loops, for loops, and I'm going to show you each of them in each one video. So let's just start with while loop. So here's the thing. First we include the standard input-output library, and then I'm gonna start my main function. And say, for example, I don't know, you maybe call me an idiot or whatever, I want my program to print to user 10 times hi. Now either I can do it like this, print if hi, new line, and I can just copy paste it 10 times like this. Hi, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just used 10 lines to print hi 10 times. And now I'm gonna compile this. It's just to show you that it works. You can actually do this. I'm not kidding with you. And I'm gonna run it. See, it printed me hi so many times. But do you honestly think that if you want to say repeat a code which is of hundreds lines, say 2000 times, you will write that 2000 times again and again? Imagine the length of code which you have to even copy paste, and the trouble the compiler will have to go through checking all that code line by line would be hell for him. So hence we have loops. So what do is we only keep one statement, and we are going to do over here while loops. So first we need a variable which will keep a record of how many times your loop has run. So I call it int I, and we set it equal to 0. And in my while I have to write a condition, just like in my if statement. So I'm going to write while y is less than 10, and then in my while block I write the printf statement. But it's not done yet. I need this statement I plus plus, which basically means that I equal to I plus 1, or get the value of I, add 1 to it, and assign that value now to I. So now what will happen is this while condition will run when this is true. This is true. So anything inside this while will run till the time this is true. And we have I equal to 0 over here. So for the first time it will check if 0 is less than 10. Yes, it is. It will run this, print hi, add I by 1. Now I will become 1 because it was 0 first. 0 plus 1, 1. And then it will again get back here, again check if 1 is less than 10. Yes, printf hi. Then again increment 1 I by 1, so I will become 2 now, and then get back. 2 is less than 10, print hi, I will become 3 then 3 is less than 10, and so on till 9 is less than 10. Yes, print hi, now I becomes 10. 10 is not less than 10. 10 is less than equal to 10, but not less than 10. So obviously, right, it's like this. Like, I'm gonna explain this right here. 10 is not less than 10 because they are equal. So either you write 10 equal to 10 or you write 10 less than equal to 10. So that's why this condition will not run when I equal to 10 is. So let me just show you over here for what i's it will run. Hi %d, and I want my %d to be replaced by the value of I. So I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna compile it and I'm gonna run it and see this. High 0, high 1, high 2, high 3, high 4, high 5, high 6, high 7, high 8, high 9, high 9. So it ran for high 9. Now if I had less than equal to over here, save it, compile it and run it. Now see the difference, it ran for 10 as well. Now if I write it equal to 10, it will not run even once. Because I is 0 first, I is 0 is not equal to 10 over here, so this condition will evaluate to false. And I'm gonna show you that what happens to any code below it. Any code below the while loop. I'm gonna leave a new line now. So save it, compile it, run it. So now what happened is, because I is 0, 0 is equal to 10, which is not true. We all know that 0 is not equal to 10, so this condition evaluates to false. So this loop never runs. Now let me just change it back to less than equal to, control save, and compile it, run it. Now see, it will run the loop first till this condition is false, and when this condition is false, it will now continue the execution after the loop ends. So the proof of this is I is 0, I was incremented by 1, so 1 is less than 10, true, print I again, 2, now I becomes 2 over here, so 2 is less than 10, print I again, now I becomes 3, so on till 10, I is less than equal to 10, yes, because I is equal to 10, so this condition is true. It will print high 10 over here, as you can see, high 10. Now I will become 11. Now first it will check the condition. 11 is less than equal to 10, which is obviously not true because 11 is greater than 10. So this condition evaluates to false, and the execution now will continue after the loop. So this is the while loop pretty much. If you don't do this, it's gonna be trouble because of, say, this. Now what will happen is my I is 0. I'm not changing my I anywhere, and since I is less than 10, I will always be 0. 0 will always be less than 10. So this condition is true for any given time at any given moment, because it's a fact, 0 is less than 10. So my loop will keep running and 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 running, because there's no condition to stop it. Because if I had incremented my I by 1, or say suddenly I jumped my I to a value greater than 10, my loop will stop. But in this case, I is never changing, I is always staying less than 10. So this will run again and again, or this will run infinitely. These kind of loops are called infinite loops. Do not use them until you know what you are doing, and you can pretty much crash your computer and or make it useless. I'm going to show you what will happen if you run an infinite loop. And see this, high 0, high 0, high 0, high 0, high 0. I stopped it by using Ctrl+Z because I don't want my computer to literally, just die. The amount of high zeros it printed is unbelievable. It might have printed at least thousands of them. So that's why you don't use infinite loop, because you see this never really got printed because the loop just kept running again and again and again and again. So you need something to stop the loop, and in this case we are using I++. We can use I plus equal to 10, and in this case the loop will run only 2 times. I will show you. So what happened over here is, first the value of I was 0, the loop ran, 0 plus 10 became the new value of I, which is equal to 10. I is less than equal to 10, I is 10, so 10 is equal to 10. This condition is true again. It printed high. Then again, I became I equal to I plus 10. Here now the I is 10, so 10 plus 10 is 20. So now I became 20. 20 is not less than equal to 10, so this condition was false, and this loop ran, and the loop exited, and the execution continued from here. So this is the pretty much while loop. We use it for many conditions. I'll show you after I have taught you everything about loop. We'll have a practice video over it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys.